Greetings of the day, my name is Kuhle Sicatsha, currently enrolled at the University of Fort Hare, East London campus. I'm a motivational speaker, a poet, a writer, and an ambassador for Youth Voicing for South Africa Foundation and Siyakunakekela non-profit organization. I am to embark on a journey to represent my country in Asia, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia in 2024 as a delegate of South Africa. As an advocate of gender equality, women empowerment, and a safer South Africa for all, being a part of a platform that identifies, builds, and empowers the growth of young future leaders in various countries will not only be informative and educational, but will enable me to be the voice of South Africa as a young person to the world. This is me setting a standard for many other young people coming after me that it is possible to be the change that you want to see in your country. Embracing unity and diversity at the AYIMUN 13th conference, where diversity isn't a challenge but our greatest strength. Together we shape diplomacy, and through diplomacy we shape the world. Standing before you is Kuhle Sicatsha once again, the delegate of South Africa.